This is a game I want to have brought to light for a while. Welcome to Risk of Rain 2. Risk of Rain 1, however, is, well, the whole thing with the contact light. I won't say anything about it, but, oh. But yeah, Risk of Rain 1 is a 2D side-scroller of basically the same thing. And this game released back in 2019, and I've only seen a few videos on it, and that's it. Now, there is a multiplayer option, and it's fun to play with people. Fun as hell. Because look at all survivors up in the one corner. Oh, it's blurry as fuck. Okay. Well, anyways, oh, can you see? Well, look at all these survivors. Now, I won't tell you how to get any of them. I want you all to have fun with it, but I like 2 out of everyone. So this is your starting guy, Commando. She is, best range, personally just the best range I could, out of all of them. Now, there are 3 melee ones. Mercenary, Loader, and Accurate. I love Loader, because Return to Monkey. But I'm going to play as the basic one. However, I will have different skills than everyone. You will have Phase Round and Tactical Dive. And of course, the skin really doesn't matter if you just want to look cool or not. Well, if you just want to, have the different skin, if you really want. But little tip with the Tactical Dive: if you actually use it while in air, you get like a small little jump forward. Goes through everything. However, I like Phase Blast and Tactical Slide because I can still shoot. And Blast, I can just tap left trigger and still shoot. Now, another thing. You guys, you can be whatever difficulty you want. I decided to go Masochism for this go. Now this is what's going to make my run completely different from your guys's. You will get chests. Those chests need gold to open, and you'll get a random item from it. However, me, Artifact of Command. Choose your items. I'm going to put Dissonance on so you don't know what enemies spawn in what area. But that's what I like too. Artifact of Sacrifice. And if you can't read it, monsters drop items on death, but no chest spawn. Now I'm not going to turn on, swarms. Monster spawns are doubled, but they have half of their health. But each survivor is unique on how you get them, and their skills is also unique. Now I'll tell you one. So, 4. Oh, Distant Roost, nice. So, welcome to the game. So yeah, that slide. You need to complete the starting area, Distant Roost, the one I'm in, or Titanic Plains is the other one, in under 5 minutes. So you pretty much need to go, get to the portal, activate it, do whatever it needs you need to do, and ta-da. And now, welcome to the Compendium of Items. Now since I'm on Monsoon, the toughest difficulty, survival items first. Repulsion Plate. Pretty much just flat damage resistance. Oh god. Oh, and I get them. Lovely. Now, of course, if you look up in the one top corner, that's your run time. Well, yeah, your stage, the enemy's level. Oh god, jellies. I know they're jellyfish, but they're really not a fish. They're just floating. But yeah. Stage. Of course, it shows what difficulty you're on. But then your run time. And that easy thing, it progressively immediately gets harder. Which is what makes this very interesting. Oop. And that was an elite enemy I just killed. Now there's a few different ones, but that one, well, I'll let you figure out for your own. Well, this I'm just going to let you figure out. However, I am not going to go for one specific item, and I'll tell you about it. The teddy bear right here. Now, the reason why I'm not going for it, because the final boss, well, he does something special. Which, that teddy bear would make him tough to kill. Hopefully you guys can put 2 and 2 together and make 4. Because that teddy bear gives you a chance to block all incoming damage. However, there's one enemy that completely negates it, and, well, it does a thing. And for what I'm doing right now, I'm looking for that said portal. And being the Gamma Monsoon also gives me an extra item. So far what I've picked up is common. We also have green, which is uncommon. Now, when I say yellow, what do you guys think of? Legendary, right? With this game, wrong. Yellow is boss items. Now I can only do that with the portal event. And there's a shrine I can do called Trial of the Mountain, which spawns more bosses, which gives me more loot. Now what else? Yeah, green is uncommon. Red. I'll let you guys think about that for a second. You guys probably think that's mythic. That's what I like calling it, when actually it's legendary. And then orange is equipment item, so my Y button. Now, at some point in 2023, I believe, a DLC is coming out that gives us the Railgunner Survivor from Survivors of the Void DLC. From said DLC. Good. Okay. Yeah, this is what you're looking for in the Forest Notes. This thing is pain. Because a group of these guys, as elites, can easily end your run. God. Okay, and jump. I'm probably going to die, but hey. It's all part of this experience. Oop. Ah. Equipment item. The Samarang. Massive freaking bleed. Ooh. And for this, I will get Busting Fungus, because, yeah, heal nearby allies while after standing still for 2 seconds. So I can heal up to full, activate the teleporter, and I can show you one of the bosses. Now granted, you can do a horde of many, so it's just a lot of elite of said enemy. But since I don't have that one thing on, God, I hate the imps. Because they're the only enemy that I know of that can actually give you a status effect. Bleeding! Which is also what my Samarang does. Oh my god. And of course it has the only one of them. And he, of course, friends. Okay. Yeah, and ta-da! Each boss has a low percent chance, but a percent chance of when the teleport event is done, you getting a boss item. Now, again, I'm going to be a cryptic mofo and not give you any direction of what they give you. Oh my god. Damage resistance. Damage resistance. That's something I always like to do with my friends when they're on, and if they're playing this. Lots of items, not too complicated. And I'm actually going to get this. Dealing damage heals you. Now granted, I have 1, so it'll give me 1 health. But my fire rate... Now, with the commando, they're special, so my so when I tap that right bumper, it gets longer with the more fire rate you have. Now, more fire rate, you need a common item, Soldier Syringe. It increases your fire rate. And that's literally it. Oh. Now, there are also, turret and drones. Turrets, well, they're turrets. They don't need to say anything. But drones, they're multiple. Shrine of the Mountain. Yeah. Now, there is a Shrine of Sacrifice, which it will take some of your health away, and it will say how much health it will take. And I've been screwed over by those way too many times, so I'm never doing them. Now, only if it spawns naturally, I will show you how to get 1 survivor. But only if I get it. And the unique thing about this game, every item stacks. But there's one legendary there is one legendary, useful, but there is one legendary, so with the red aura, that it revives you from death. So technically that's the only item that does not stack. Every other item, but other than that, every item does. And stuff can get real stupid real fast. Of course he gives me a mag order, why not? 2. Oh, I hate being on fire. Because that's what kills you a lot in this game. It's already dead. They already blew up my drone. That is funny. Oh, God. Yeah, there are plenty of items. Another one that I like for this one, and I will tell you, is Gorag's Opus. And what it does, a bit faster movement speed, but a hell of a lot of fire rate. It is an equipment item where my Somarang is. So it would be where my Somarang is. I'm going to wait. Oh, yep. Oh, this is fun. Oh, God. Nope. Oh, God. Alright, so now you see that red little line? It's a dome. And that will be around the teleporter. Now, as you can see, it's no longer charging. Oh well. Oh, and I'm no longer dying. That's good. Oh, I might be. Now, some mythic items, legendary, require you to do specific things. And one is actually in this zone. Specifically this one. Because, what is it? For the first and second area, there are two locations you can go. However, for the third area... Oh, there we go. Alright, there we go. There we go. Where is it? Ah, there we go. Bottom corner. Go Rags Opus. You and your allies enter a frenzy, and that does include your drones and turrets. Alright. So now, Leeching Seed is fun, but there's another one I like, because you will do it a lot in this game. Get hit. Razor Wire. Retaliate in a burst of razors on taking damage. So any enemy around me gets hit. Alright. So yeah, this is the third area. Again, I believe there's two variations. Oh no, yeah, there's 3 areas, I believe. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, oh. What are you? Ooh, Ooh. Okay, that is a, incineration drone. Now, a good way you can always reliably spot the teleporter, look for red particle effects. I know because of my crappy phone and crappy camera, or crappier camera in this case. Oh, why them? You're not supposed to be in this area even. Like a lot of the enemies. But anyways. Yeah, this area is particularly harder for you to see it. Okay, Shrine of the Woods. So yeah, Shrine of the Woods, the thing right in front of me. You see the little chevron arrow. What does it do again? Right. Well, of course, paying that much, it will give a healing area. Now, of course, there are 3 areas, and if you max it out, you get an item. Because technically there are in-game achievements. And, there we go. Yeah, see how we started on easy? For 15 minutes. Ta-da! Very hard. I do not like Grove Tender. Because of that right there. Those black little flying orbs. They explode and there's so freaking many of them. And it's sending Void Reavers. Yeah, that thing. The thing I'm shooting at right now. No matter how ultimate you are, when that thing dies, it can kill you. Because its death is a /kill command, basically. So if you're inside its little explosion area, when you die, you are screwed. Because then you'll be imprisoned until eternity ends. should have got that item instead of a second thing. Oh, God. So now, when you guys are in the intro screen of booting up the game, you'll see this character. Shocker. But they will have a ukulele with them. That ukulele is an actual item. And if I can get one oh so kind to actually drop it, then I'll actually be in a good area, to actually survive, possibly. Actually, this might work. Gasoline. Killing enemies sets nearby enemies on fire. So if I can kill one of you idiots... Boom, now they're all on fire. And yes, a fire enemy on fire. Now another good item that's green. For you guys with my crappy camera, it will be an orange orb in a jar. Will-o'-the-wisp. That, killing enemies will make them explode. And with the explode comboing with the set on fire, things can get stupid real fast. Oh, shh. Yep, there we go. You have been detained. Await your sentence at the end of time. Commando, killed by Void Reaper. That's how you can die. Now, I'm actually happy that I made it to that area. Because, what is it? With the fourth area, there are 4 locations that... Yeah, 3 other locations you can end up. Abyssal Depths, Sundered Grove, and I forget the last one. But now, with Sundered Grove, with all 3 of them, that's how you can get a legendary. Abyssal Depths and Sundered Grove, there's a chest. But with Abyssal Depths, it will always be in the same location. Sundered Grove, it's all mushroom. It's like a mushroom forest. Look for glowing pink mushrooms. That'll lead you to your chest. With the 3rd one that I forget, you have to destroy 6 egg nests and then kill the boss that spawns. You'll get a survivor and your legendary. What else? Abyssal Depths, there's also another survivor you can get, but you know my drop pod that you drop in? Yeah, the drop pod you drop in? Not mine. Hold up. Ugh. You have to grab its fuel cell and bring it there. Now, the fuel cell's fun. I'll let you read what it does if you pick it up. What else? Oh, once you find the Bazaar Between Realms, or Worlds, have 10 lunar coins on you. That's how you can get the other survivor. Another survivor. But with the Bazaar Between Worlds, you can get 2. You just have to go below the bazaar and find the Void Portal. That's fun. make sure to have Razor Wire because, ooh, that's probably your best weapon against everyone. But other than that, I'll leave you to explore the wonderful world of Risk of Rain 2. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.